In this video, I'm going to teach you about probability. And you might think it's kind of impossible until you see some of the tricks, and then you'll get it. So if we have a problem like this that says if you roll a dice and flip a coin at the same time, how many outcomes are possible? Okay, so you're flipping a coin and then throwing a dice at the exact same time. What combinations would you get? So for this type of problem, we make a tree diagram that shows all the possible outcomes. So let's start with the coin. It has two possible outcomes, heads or tails. Heads or tails, right? So when you flip it, you might either get heads or tails. Those are the only two possible outcomes. Now when you throw the dice, you have six possible outcomes. You might get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, right? Depending which way it rolls. So you could get heads with 1, heads with 2, heads with 3, heads with 4, heads with 5, or heads with 6. Those are possible outcomes that could happen. So the next one, if you flip your coin and you get tails and then you roll your dice, you might get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 on the dice. Okay, those are possible outcomes. So that means it would be tails with 1, tails with 2, tails with 3, tails with 4, tails with 5, tails with 6. Those are the possible outcomes. So now you just need to count the number of branches, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 branches on this tree diagram. So there are 12 branches, so 12 possible outcomes that you could have when you flip the coin and roll the dice at the same time. Okay, and that's all there is to that. Anyone can do this. If you don't understand it, just rewatch the video. You're probably one explanation away from getting it. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, I have a link to this video, and you could watch the video as you follow along in the ebook. As well, I have links in the description to other videos that are similar, so you could check those out as well. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.